Hello everyone, we got another problem, triangular problems to get the unknown value for the sides. So in this problem they say in the following illustration, angle 2 and 5 right here, they both are 90 degrees. AD here is 15, DC is 20, and AC, the whole entire thing, is 25. Right, and they say what are the lengths of BC, this one, and BD, this one. Right. I started by just drew the two triangles again, making it more clear where is the 90 degrees at and where is the values. And we can start by using the triangle equation that we know. Like, let's say for started with the triangle ADB. We know that AD squared equal AB squared plus BD squared. It's always the hypotenuse equal the two sides, each one of them is squared, and add them. Okay, so we know that AD squared is 15, so we can make it 15 squared equal AB squared plus BD squared. I will also try to get the AB itself, getting the BD itself, because BD is the one that connected between the two triangles, so that will be the common factor. So BD squared equal 15 squared minus AB squared. Okay, for triangle DBC, gotta do the same thing. So we have the hypotenuse here is that DC squared equal BD squared plus BC squared. Same thing here. DC is 20 squared equal BD squared plus BC squared. Get the BD by itself. BD squared equal 20 squared minus BC squared. And then equate for BD, which is basically this part equal to this part. So 15 squared minus AB squared equal 20 squared minus BC squared. And here we know we'll try to get the AB itself. Only AB here, so we can solve for AB. So we know that BC from here, that BC can be 25 minus AB all squared, right? So I remove BC here and make it 25 minus AB, which is basically the BC side. Okay, so I came back, put everything together. So 50 squared minus AB squared equal 20 squared, and then we can get the values here. So it's going to be negative 25 squared plus, because here negative, here is negative, so it's going to be positive 50 AD minus AB squared. So you can see here, this one cancel out. So getting AB by itself, so AB equal 15 squared minus 20 squared plus 25 squared over 50. Just put everything in one side and AB in the other side. If you use your calculator, you're getting it by 9. You get AB is equal to 9. can take this value and basically you know this part. So BC equal 25 minus AB, right? That's what we change right here. So we know AB is 9, so therefore BC is equal to 16. So BC is equal to 16. Okay, last thing, use the other equation to get, or try to get the BD. So we know that BD squared equal 15 squared minus AB squared. Therefore BD equals square root 15 squared minus 9 squared. So BD equal 12. So we'll get the BC equals 16, BD equal 12. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will be happy to answer, and have a good day.